Convert your visitors into subscribers with Mailster forms. This is how to get started with forms in Mailster 4. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Forms in the Newsletter submenu and click on Add New. Set a name for your form to identify it later. Choose one of the included forms to start. Depending on your theme, forms can look different, but you can always customize the style later. Forms are powered by the block editor, so you can edit it like a page or post with the Gutenberg editor. Add additional form fields as needed and adjust their settings in the sidebar. Now let's have a quick look at the form options. You can access them by clicking on the Form tab in the sidebar. In the Options section, you can adjust the name, enable double opt-in, add a checkbox for GDPR compliance, and choose to merge data to allow existing subscribers to sign up again. You can also change the success and error message here. If you have double opt-in enabled, which you should, you can define the content of the notification email here. In the List section, you can decide to which lists people get signed up. You can optionally let users decide which lists they like to get added. While we skip customization options for another video, we'll take a look at how to use Mailster forms on your site. In the Placement section, you can choose how forms will be used. Select the pop-up option and click on the Settings toggle to further adjust your settings. A new modal will pop up, and you can now see how your form will be displayed on your site. On the right side, you can adjust the settings for the selected placement option. Currently, the pop-up will be displayed on every post, but you can limit that to certain categories or other taxonomies. Decide when your pop-up will be shown by defining triggers. This helps to increase conversion by showing the form only when needed. Finally, you can define a schedule for when your form is enabled and some specific appearance settings for the current placement option. This allows for more pop and vibrancy to your pop-up forms. Close the modal to complete this step. After completing your form, you can publish it to make it available on your website. The form is now live, and you can switch to the front end to test it out. Go to a blog post or a page where the created form is enabled and trigger the pop-up by either waiting or doing the action defined in the trigger section before. To learn more about how to use Mailster, subscribe to the Mailster Academy YouTube channel or click another video to keep watching.